We're standing right here.
Let's go. Work, Aaron. Work.
Here's leg.
Use your elbow. Use your elbow.
Big drill. Now hit the rope, Sam. Stay right there. Stay.
Fight's on.
Andre versus Aaron was a beautiful fight.
That's all right. In and out, baby.
Everything that my coaches talked with him, he did everything amazing.
Beautiful.
From splitting the punches and the angling and moving out.
Play with it a little. There we go.
Aaron, I don't believe he's probably as experienced as some of the guys. Don't telegraph it so much, mate. Look, that's all right, don't telegraph it. We worked on some single leg defense. He did great with some of the single leg defense come around the side. And Andre eventually pulled that leg up, shoved it a little bit, and got him to his back. Create space. Keep getting around the corner.
Once Andre managed to take Aaron down, his wrestling made the difference. He was patient, he showed great technique, and ultimately got Aaron right where he wanted him.
Yo, no rush, Andre.
No rush. To listen to someone during mid-fight is crazy. You have to have a lot of control.
Well, tie it and mount it.
Which he did. He went to mount, cleared the knee, put his hooks in, choked him out. It could not have gone any more perfect.
Let's go. Fucking face.
This was a great first fight, an exciting first fight, and exactly the way you want to kick off this competition and our new season.
All right, we have a tap out due to a guillotine. 4:42 of round one. Winner, moving on. Andre.
Yeah. Good look. I mean, couldn't ask for more of a clean performance. Patient, you know. I didn't force nothing, and all the opportunities came to me. Super stoked, excited to go out and get the job done.
Stay healthy, because you never know what happens with injuries and all that. Yeah, stay healthy.
You know, I was working takedown defenses all week, and I get taken down. Yeah, it's just gonna be more work, and you know, I hate to be that guy that's like, hey, well, maybe someone will get hurt and I'll get back in, but you know, I can get back in. So we'll see how this all goes, and hopefully the rest of the team, both guys, can pull it off. And I can just be there for them and be a body and help them win.
So defense on that single was good. You turned the corner, you almost got it. You had a really good man.
I can't describe it. I mean, I've had losses before, but I came out of it pretty proud of myself. But I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be better than everybody by the end of the show anyway. So I'm not gonna quit. I can't quit. Got a girlfriend who's committing so much to me doing this. So just gonna push forward for her and my family.